Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Laptop Studio 2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Surface Laptop Studio 2 can't keep a charge for more than an hour, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can arise due to battery wear over time or software settings that drain power excessively. If left unaddressed, this problem can severely limit your device's usability, making it frustrating to work on the go. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Torx screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement battery specifically for the Surface Laptop Studio 2. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic prying tool to gently open the casing of your laptop. Start at one corner and work your way around, taking your time to avoid damaging any clips. Once the casing is removed, locate the battery. It's typically situated near the bottom of the device, held in place by several screws. Using your Torx screwdriver, remove these screws, keeping them safe for reassembly. Now, gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. This can be a delicate operation, so be cautious not to pull on any nearby components. With the battery disconnected, you can now lift it out of the device. Take your replacement battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight but not overly so to avoid stripping them. Once the new battery is in place, reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard. Make sure it's seated properly to ensure a good connection. Before you close the casing, it's a good idea to power on the device to check if it's functioning correctly with the new battery. If everything looks good, proceed to snap the casing back into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now that your device is reassembled, make sure to regularly check your battery settings to optimize performance and extend battery life. Avoid having too many applications running in the background, and ensure that your operating system is up to date to benefit from the latest power management features. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.